If you frequently visit the same websites, the Bookmarks bar can save you a lot of time by keeping your favorite pages just one click away. On the other hand, if you prefer a cleaner interface with more space for web pages, you might want to hide it. In this video, I'll show you how to show or hide the Bookmarks bar in Zen Browser using multiple methods. Let's get started. First, open Zen Browser on your computer. Click the three-dot menu button. Depending on your layout, this may be in the top left or top right corner of the browser window. Just look for the three dots. Here you can choose whether the toolbar is displayed. Look for the bookmarks. Choose the option that best fits your browsing style. The change takes effect immediately. If you want a faster method, you can use a keyboard shortcut. This is the best one. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus B on your keyboard. This instantly toggles the Bookmarks toolbar on or off. Many experienced users prefer this method because it's much quicker than opening settings every time. Method 3. Right-click method. This one is not the best method with the default installation, but you can do something to fix that. If you want to hide it, right-click on the Bookmarks bar, then select Bookmarks Toolbar, and then click Never Show. And here comes the problem we'll fix in seconds. Since it's hidden with the default settings, there is no obvious place to right-click to enable it again. That's what we'll fix. Right-click next to your back, forward, and refresh buttons. Where exactly you need to click depends on your Zen Browser layout. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see Customize Toolbar after right-clicking. Click Customize Toolbar. Find the Bookmarks menu and drag it to the top toolbar. From this point on, if you click that Bookmarks icon, you can easily enable and disable your Bookmarks toolbar by clicking View Bookmarks Toolbar. Which option should you choose? If you use bookmarks frequently throughout the day, keeping the toolbar visible can improve productivity. If you prefer a minimalist setup, you might choose to hide it completely. And if you only occasionally use bookmarks, the Only Show on New Tab option can be a nice middle ground. You've successfully learned how to show or hide the Bookmarks bar in Zen Browser. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Zen Browser tutorials, browser customization guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.